Hi class 7, hope you all are doing very well. Let's start revision of chapter 5 solutions. pH of lime water is 11, 8 or 6. As we know lime water is alkaline, it means its pH must be greater than 7. Its pH is 11 because 8 is the pH of toothpaste and 6 is the pH level of unpolluted drain. Dash is present in apple. Vinegar, another name of vinegar is ethanoic acid or acetic acid. Lactic acid is present in milk or yogurt. So it means in apple there is malic acid. Which gas is involved when acid reacts with carbonates? Name is indicating when acid reacts with carbonate, definitely carbon dioxide gas will be given off, as when acids reacts with metals it results in the formation of hydrogen gas. Which of the following solute dissolves best in water? Corn flour does not dissolve best in water. If you will stir it, it will dissolve. If you will leave it, it will settle at the bottom. Iodine doesn't make solution with water. It is soluble in alcohol. So it means common salt is the best solute that dissolves in water. Which indicator remain colorless when dropped in acid? Phenolphthalein? Yes, because methyl orange becomes pink in acidic solution and phenol red becomes orange. Which of the following pair of substances form a solution when mixed? Alcohol and water, alcohol and iodine, yes, they both form solution. A woman spills ink on her dress. The dress is made of nylon. What liquid should she use to remove the stain? Options are liquid A. In liquid A, nylon is insoluble, ink is soluble. In liquid B, nylon is also soluble, ink is also soluble. In liquid C, nylon is insoluble and ink is also insoluble. It means option A is correct because we need our nylon bag. So nylon is insoluble and ink must be soluble. If ink is insoluble, then stain will not get removed. So option A is the correct answer. Now rectification. Salt in the Dead Sea is concentrated. No, it is not concentrated. It is saturated because we can find crystals on the shore of the Dead Sea. Carbonic acid is present in grapes. No, grapes contains tartaric acid, or you can also say it like this: carbonic acid is present in fizzy drinks. Give reasons in each case. Why lime can be used to treat acidic soil? Lime is actually calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is alkaline in nature. It means when alkali in proper amount reacts with acid, it results in neutralization reaction. It means that calcium oxide reacts with calcium oxide is used to neutralize the acidic soil, which become acidic because of excessive acid rain. Next question is why antacids are used for indigestion? Again, antacids, which are magnesium hydroxide, they are alkali in nature. They are used they are used to neutralize the excessive acid in the stomach. Question number 4 is write 3 similarities between sulfuric acid and magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide is alkali, sulfuric acid is an acid. You know that they both are good conductor of electricity in aqueous form, both dissolve in water to form aqueous solution. And next is they conduct electricity in aqueous form. They both are corrosive. They both reacts with each other to form salt and water. So you can write any 3 similarities of your own choice. Question number 5 is complete the word equation. Here the name of acid is sulfuric acid and the zinc is the metal. When acid react with metal, it always result in the liberation of hydrogen gas along with the formation of salt. So it means zinc will combine with sulfuric acid and form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas will be eliminated. Next is hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is alkali and the name of acid is hydrochloric acid. It means we are talking about neutralization reaction which result in the formation of salt and water. The name of salt would be sodium chloride and from hydroxide we will be getting water. Calcium carbonate is reacting with dilute sulfuric acid. It results in the formation of salt. The name of salt is calcium sulfate. Carbonate is indicating the formation of carbon dioxide and water as well. Question number 6 is complete the table. Solution. Solid means the solvent is present in the solute is present in solid form, and solvent is also present in solid form. The solution must be an alloy. As steel is an alloy, it is made up of solvent, iron, and in little bit amount carbon is added. So it means alloy or steel is a solution. Then gas and gas. Air is the best example of it. You know that the major component of the air is nitrogen. Nitrogen is the solvent in which all the other gases are soluble, like carbon dioxide, oxygen, noble gases. Coca-Cola. In Coke, the solvent is water and the solutes are carbon dioxide, sugar, food color. Mineral water. Mineral salts are the solute as they are added in less amount, and solvent is the water because it is present in greater amount. Tincture of iodine. Iodine is soluble in alcohol, so alcohol is the solvent and the solute is iodine.